This is a short video on how to replace the 66 class bobbin case. In this model we have a position bracket. We lift up and push out of the way. We take the bobbin case out and you take your new one and put it in. Now when you put it in, you got to come in at an angle because there's a lip here that rides in this groove. So you come in at an angle, you put it in, and you push the position bracket back in place. Now, you have to have a little horizontal play so the thread can clear. If it's too tight, you have an adjusting screw here. You loosen it, and you adjust this position bracket left and right so you have your play. Now, where they make another mistake is they take the position bracket out and they don't know how to put it back in. And what it does is it goes in at an angle until it stops up against the spring that's under here. The spring puts downward pressure on it so that when you put it back in position, this is the action you get. Now we're going to go over to another machine that uses the same position bracket or the same bobbin case, but the position bracket doesn't come out. It just lifts up and slides out of the way. Everything else is the same. Then it slides back in. And if you need to adjust this because you don't have the clearance, you loosen this screw and turn it until you get the horizontal play you need. And that's the end of the video.